Welcome to my channel. I'm your doctor. Have you ever wondered why some people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s seem to glow with health and energy while others struggle just to get through the day? What makes the difference? Is it genes, luck, or maybe something much simpler? Something as basic as what's on your plate today. I want to share something deeply important. The 5 foods you absolutely must eat after the age of 60 to keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your spirit vibrant. And trust me, these aren't exotic or expensive foods. These are simple, powerful, healing foods that can transform how you age if you give your body what it's really asking for. Now, before we start, I want you to imagine something with me. Picture yourself waking up in the morning. No stiffness, no fatigue, no brain fog. You get up easily, you stretch, maybe you take a short walk. You feel calm, light and centered. Your digestion works well, your joints feel flexible, and you're able to do things that many people your age think are impossible. That's not a dream. That's what happens when you nourish your body right after 60. See, after 60, your metabolism slows down, your cells repair a little slower, your digestion changes, and your muscle mass naturally declines. But here's the beauty. Your body still has an incredible ability to heal, to repair, and to grow stronger if you give it the right tools. And those tools come from food, real natural food. So let's dive in, because these 5 foods are not just about nutrition. They're about protecting your brain, strengthening your heart, balancing your hormones, supporting your bones, and keeping your immune system young. The first food I want to talk about is one that nature designed almost perfectly for your body. Leafy green vegetables. I know you've heard this before, but listen closely. When you cross 60, greens aren't just a healthy choice. They're your medicine. Spinach, kale, mustard greens, collard greens, and even simple lettuce are loaded with vitamins A, C, K, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients protect your bones, your eyes, and your arteries. But here's something most people don't realize. Greens help your body detox gently every single day. They pull out old waste, clear your liver, and give your cells oxygen. When people tell me they feel sluggish, tired, or bloated, I often ask them, how many greens are you eating? Because the truth is, most of us think one small serving is enough. It's not. After 60, your digestive system works slower, so you need foods that are light but full of life. Try adding a handful of greens to every meal, a small salad with olive oil and lemon, steamed spinach with garlic, or even blended in a green smoothie. Your energy will start rising within days. But let's move to something even more powerful. The second food that's like fuel for the brain and heart, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, or even small river fish. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are nature's brain protectors. After 60, your brain cells are more vulnerable to inflammation, and inflammation is the root of memory loss, mood swings, even depression. Omega-3s help your brain stay flexible and sharp. Studies show that older adults who eat fish at least 2 to 3 times a week have lower risks of Alzheimer's and heart disease. But there's more. These healthy fats lubricate your joints, reduce stiffness, and even keep your skin glowing. Now, if you don't eat fish, don't worry. You can still get omega-3s from plant sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Just grind a tablespoon of flaxseed daily and mix it into your porridge or yogurt. Simple, effective, and life-changing. Let's pause for a second, because the third food is something people often overlook, yet it could be the reason why some people feel 10 years younger than others. I'm talking about beans and lentils, nature's protein powerhouses. As we age, we naturally lose muscle. It's called sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest reasons people feel weak, lose balance, or find it hard to move. Protein is essential, but not all proteins are equal. Beans and lentils give you plant-based protein along with fiber, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your heart and balance your blood sugar. Imagine this. Instead of heavy meats that take hours to digest, you enjoy a bowl of lentil soup, chickpea curry, or black bean salad. You get steady energy, no bloating, and your gut stays happy. And gut health after 60 is everything. Remember, your gut is your second brain. When it's balanced, your immune system works better, your mood stabilizes, and your whole body feels lighter. So now we've got greens for minerals, fish or seeds for healthy fats, beans for protein and fiber, but we can't forget about one of the most sacred foods nature has given us. The fourth food, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. These tiny treasures are full of nutrients your cells crave. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, and plant sterols that keep your heart and hormones balanced. You see, after 60, your body's natural production of certain hormones slows down, but these nutrients help your endocrine system stay stable. Nuts and seeds also help maintain strong bones, which is crucial at this stage of life. You don't need a lot, just a small handful a day can work wonders. I always tell people, snack smart. Instead of cookies or chips, take a small bowl of mixed nuts. Your blood sugar stays steady, your hunger stays calm, and your body thanks you. Now let me share a little story. A few years ago, I met a woman in her late 70s, vibrant, full of laughter, walking every morning, her skin glowing like she was in her 50s. When I asked her secret, she smiled and said, "I never go a day without my handful of nuts and my morning greens." She didn't rely on supplements or fancy diets, just simple, consistent habits, and her body rewarded her. But we're not done, because the fifth food on this list might surprise you. It's berries. Yes, those small colorful fruits like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and even mulberries. These are your natural anti-aging warriors. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress, the very process that causes wrinkles, memory loss, and slow recovery. Think of antioxidants as little soldiers fighting off the damage caused by pollution, poor diet, and even emotional stress. They keep your brain sharp, your heart strong, and your skin youthful. 1 cup of berries a day can literally change how your body handles aging. And if berries aren't always available or are expensive where you live, don't worry. You can use frozen ones or even local fruits with similar benefits, like pomegranate, amla, or black grapes. The key is color. The deeper and richer the color, the more antioxidants it has. Now I want you to notice something. All 5 of these foods have one thing in common. They are alive. They come straight from the earth, full of life energy, not from a box or a packet. That's the secret of longevity. Staying connected to the living foods that feed your cells directly. Because when you eat dead food, processed, fried, sugary, empty, you starve your cells even if your stomach feels full. But when you eat living food, green, fresh, colorful, natural, your body begins to rebuild itself from the inside out. Let's talk about how these foods work together. When you combine greens with healthy fats from fish or nuts, your body absorbs fat-soluble vitamins more efficiently. When you pair beans with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, you get complete protein. When you finish your meal with a few berries, you flood your system with antioxidants that reduce inflammation. It's like a symphony, every ingredient supporting the other, every bite sending healing messages to your body. And I know some people say, "But I'm too old to start now." No, you're not. It's never too late. I've seen people in their 70s, 80s, even 90s who changed their diet and saw miracles. Their blood pressure dropped, their energy returned, their sleep improved, and their pain faded. The body never stops trying to heal. You just have to give it a chance. If you can, start small. Tomorrow morning, make a green smoothie, spinach, banana, chia seeds, and a few walnuts. Or cook a simple lentil soup for lunch. Snack on almonds. Add some grilled fish or steamed vegetables for dinner. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. And as you begin to eat this way, you'll notice something beautiful. Your cravings change. Your body begins to ask for what it truly needs. You'll crave freshness instead of fried food, hydration instead of soda, peace instead of chaos. That's your body waking up again. Now let's talk a little about balance, because food is powerful. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat. Slow down when you eat, chew properly, enjoy every bite, feel gratitude for the food in front of you. When you eat with peace, your digestion improves automatically. Stress shuts down digestion, calm activates it. So no screens, no rushing, just you and your meal. You can also think of these 5 foods as your daily foundation, then build around them. For example, if you love traditional meals, keep them, just upgrade them. Use olive oil instead of refined oil. Replace white rice with brown rice. Add greens to your dale. Sprinkle seeds over your breakfast. Small tweaks, big results. One more secret, hydration. Water helps all these foods do their job. After 60, thirst sensitivity goes down, so you might not feel thirsty, even when your body needs water. Keep a bottle with you, sip throughout the day. Herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, or mint are wonderful too. And please don't underestimate movement. Food nourishes, movement activates. Even a 20-minute walk after meals can help your digestion, your mood, and your heart health. When you combine good food, hydration, rest, and movement, you create harmony in your body. That harmony is what true health feels like. Now, before we close, I want to share something from the heart. Many people after 60 start believing their best days are behind them. They look at the wrinkles, the grey hair, and they think aging is a decline. But it's not. Aging is a privilege. It's your body's wisdom showing up. And when you care for it, through what you eat, how you rest, how you think, it rewards you in ways that pills never can. So, My friend, I want you to remember this. Every meal is a chance to heal. Every bite is a choice between energy or exhaustion, between clarity or confusion, between renewal or decay. You have the power to choose youthfulness at any age. It's not about looking young, it's about feeling alive again. If you start today, within weeks, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, your sleep deeper, your digestion smoother, your mind calmer. That's not magic. That's biology working the way it was designed to. So eat your greens for strength. Eat your fish or flax seeds for your brain. Eat your beans for muscles and gut health. Eat your nuts for heart and bones. And eat your berries for youth and memory. That's your natural prescription for long, vibrant life after 60. And if you want to take it one step further, remember, gratitude, sunlight, and laughter are also food. They nourish your soul, and your body responds. Thank you for watching, and I truly hope this message inspires you to take charge of your health, starting right now. Because it's not about living long, it's about living well. You deserve to wake up every morning full of life, no matter your age. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone you love, your parents, your grandparents, or a friend who needs hope. Let's spread the message that aging is not the end. It's a beautiful new beginning. If we eat and live with wisdom, stay healthy, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. After 60, your body doesn't need more food. It needs better food. Aging isn't about losing strength or vitality. It's about learning what truly nourishes you. The 5 foods we talked about: leafy greens, fatty fish, beans and lentils, nuts and seeds, and berries, are nature's way of telling you that healing and renewal never stop. When you eat these foods, you're not just feeding your body. You're feeding your cells the language of life, minerals, healthy fats, antioxidants, and protein that keep everything working smoothly. The biggest secret: it's not too late. Every bite you take sends a message to your body, to repair, to rebuild, to stay alive and vibrant. So eat consciously. Choose foods that bring energy, not exhaustion. This is your time to age with strength, grace, and clarity. Remember, you can't stop getting older, but you can absolutely choose how you age.